So, unboxing the Insta360 1X action camera. I've ordered this. I've got this extension folding already. A little tripod stand opens out. There's the camera. Packaging looks, expensive. It looks like it's well built, good quality. Tells you what it does on the sides. 5.7K video, 18 megapixel photos, flow state stabilization, 360 capture, cinematic slow-mo, invisible selfie stick, bullet time, free capture editing, Wi-Fi, preview and transfer. So that's the camera. It's really light, feels good quality. Little display screen on there with the 2 buttons. Yet to figure out how to use it, but I'll do a video on that, no doubt. What you get in the box is you get a little wallet to put the camera into, so you don't scratch the lenses. Feels nice and thick. Little strap on the back. You get some stickers. A quick start guide, more stickers, and then just a quick how-to book. Go through that. Connect to your computer. That's the charging cable, I'm guessing. Yeah. And then the battery. That's what you get. The battery's really small actually, I thought it was bigger, I don't know why. But yeah, and that's the battery. All well packaged. There's a little, that's for the billet time. It's like a string what you attach to the bottom of the camera so you can swing it around. So I'll use that, but it's there if you want it. But it feels pretty good quality, the packaging, well designed. And I've also got the Insta360 motorcycle bundle. I have already had a look at this, but I'll open it for you guys anyway. It's just everything is basically just piled into this box. So you get the extension holes for like on your helmet, or as you can see on there, on the back of the bike. So that's that. I think you get 2 of those. The handlebar attachment. Not sure what handlebar it fit on. Same again. And then just lots of pads, sticky pads, like the GoPro mounts basically. Those are different variations of it. But yeah, can't wait to get some footage of this with this camera. I'll upload a video once I've put it onto the bike and show you where I'm mounting it, and then you'll get to see the result of the footage hopefully. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.